To hide lock screen left shortcut when hitting home routine is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap hitting home routine, tap change lock screen shortcut, and then tap the blue on off switch next to left shortcut to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. Next, tap down button to save the change. By doing this, now when the hitting home routine is active, your phone will automatically hide or remove the left shortcut from your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.